Hello and welcome to your next challenge. Return the remainder from two numbers. So in this challenge you will be provided with two numbers x and y, and you have to return remainder of x divided by y. For example, if 7 is divided by 2, then 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 and remainder is 1. If 12 is divided by 4, the remainder is 0 because 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, so remainder is 0. Minus 9 divided by 45, remainder will be minus 9 because 45 is greater than minus 9. If you divide 5 with 5, the remainder will be 0. So for this challenge we will only use positive and negative integers. We will not use any floating integers. So we'll write our first code. You just need to return x mod of y. So what will happen here, x will be equal to 7, y will be equal to 2. We are talking about the first example, and we are returning x mod of y. So 7 will be divided by 2 and 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, so remainder will be equal to 1. So we'll check the solution here. So our solution is correct. You can also define a variable. Let's suppose var is equal to mod, which is equal to x mod of y, and return mod. We'll check the solution again. Okay, our solution is correct. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in next lecture.